Hello, girls and guys, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Robot Thoughts, our new series on Linux commands on Jetson Nano. Alright, guys, we are on lesson number 4. And the previous lesson, I showed you how to create a directory. In this lesson, I am going to show you how to remove a directory. Alright, so let's log into our Jetson Nano, and I am already logged in. There you go. This is my terminal. So guys, it's very simple, right? How to remove the directory. So let's say in the previous lesson we created a directory called Avengers, right? So let's now remove the directory. How do we do that? It's a command called rmdir, remove directory, rmdir space Avengers. Now let me show you first what is there in our directory list. Let's say cd ls. Okay, so we already have a folder called Avengers and we have a directory called Jetson. All right, now let's remove Avengers. Say rmdir Avengers. Okay, now let's go to ls list. There you go, it's gone. Now let's remove Jetson directory, rm Jetson, rm directory Jetson. Now let's say ls. Okay, there you go, your Jetson is gone. So guys, that's it for the lesson. It's pretty short and sweet. So I'm going to create multiple more videos as short videos to show each and every command so that you can understand and get hands on it. Alright guys, see you soon. Do give me a thumbs up and a like on the video. Bye bye.